Eccentric, creative genius, you know, sometimes crazy. Yeah. I found Bob Ross, I think in 2002, roughly, on PBS, and his voice was so soothing, and I've always been an artist anyway, and I was just like, oh my God, I can do this too. It's easy. He makes it look easy. And I've never been drawn to oil, but the techniques that he brought to the show was just so inspiring that I just wanted to paint and figure out how to paint and do what he did. I'm at an art festival, Seuss Creek Botanical Garden, and I was chosen as one of the artists to show. Hi, I'm Penny FireHorse, and this is my 4-panel acrylic. It's called Four Seasons Tree, and it's one of my favorites, and I created it over about 3 to 4 months. This is the tree in winter, and this is the tree in spring with the blooms. This is the summer with the fiery red summer sunsets or sunrises, and then this is fall with the full moon. What's amazing about the paint, it just glides over the surface. It's so smooth. It felt so calming. And that's what I needed in my life at that time, because I was going through a divorce. And I just fell in love with the process of being able to create something out of nothing and just go with it. And it just put me in such a meditative state that I overcome a lot of my mindset, the negative mindset that was going on and continued on. And I just love it. I think art saved my life, for lack of better terms. I don't want to be niched down to one type of medium because everything is so exciting. I want to try so many different things. And there's certain things I gravitate towards, and there's new things that I want to try, and I'm always trying and trying to learn. Reading books and, you know, watching documentaries. I'm a huge history buff, and so anything with that is, you know, artistically it's can I do it, and if I can do it, can I make it look good? So yeah, it's all an experiment. I think life in general is an experiment. So yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple. The biggest thing is to not let things overwhelm you, not to give up. Find what you're passionate about and figure out a way to make it your own. And when you make it your own, everything will fall into place. And be who you are and nothing less, because we're all fantastic people. So that's what I gotta say.